Hi everyone, welcome to Max Ray's Life Skills Corner. I'm going to take you through how to change Henry Hoover bag. And before you start, you need to know the sign that will prompt you to change the bag. And the sign is the suction will not work well. So when you notice that the suction is not working well, then you need to change the bag. And to begin, you need to pull the lockers on both sides, and then you remove the top and you take out the filter. And if you notice that the filter is dirty, you need to tap it on a hard surface to get rid of the dirt in it. And then you remove the bag and then you get your new bag. Then push it in. Then you place the filter on it, and the top is also placed on it. You lock it, and the next thing is to check the hose, find out if there's no blockage. So you unscrew it, and then if everything is okay, you screw it back, and your hoover will start working again. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your time.